Hello, my name is Dr. Chaitanya and welcome to my new YouTube video. So coming to the part 2 of the practical number 12, that is the hepatobiliary system and the cirrhosis with the tumors. So in this part we are going to cover about the tumors. This is the in short classification of the hepatic tumors, that is the benign, malignant and others. In benign you can get the adenoma and other tumors. In malignancy hepatocellular carcinoma, cholangiocarcinoma and others, and in metastasis you get the other tumor. So coming to the hepatocellular carcinoma and the metastasis, hepatocellular carcinoma, these are the two specimens for you in examinations in our hall. So this is the one specimen showing the one tumor on the one of the lobe of the liver. Wet mount formalin piezo specimen of the liver measuring around 10 into 7 into 4 centimeter size. External surface shows the capsule is intact and unremarkable elevation color, whereas the cut surface shows the tumor measuring around 3 into 4 into 5 centimeter, and this is also a tumor. This is also a tumor. So these are the two parts, one part showing the necrosis, one part is showing the necrosis, and this part is showing the soft and variegated appearance. Here you can see blackish hemorrhagic area also. So this is called as the variegated appearance of the tumor. The margins are irregular. And normal parenchyma is brownish in color. So this is the specimen of the hepatocellular carcinoma, whereas in the metastasis case you can see that these tumors are in multiple in number. Here are the two tumors. This is one tumor, this is one tumor, and the largest tumor is measuring around 4 into 5 centimeter. The largest tumor is measuring 4 into 5 centimeter. Important thing here, you can see that there is umbilication of the tumor or depression in the tumor at the center. Borders are again irregular, and this is the normal parenchyma. So basically this tumor, this is normal parenchyma, and this is again the tumor. So this one is tumor, this is another tumor, and here you can see that this is the third one tumor. So there are the three tumors you can see in the same slice of the liver, and normal parenchyma is compressed because of this tumor. So important thing is this umbilication and irregular border compressing the normal parenchyma and multiple in number. These are the classical features of the metastasis from the other organ to the liver. So there are the two specimens, hepatocellular carcinoma and metastasis. This is one is the another specimen of the liver from the book. Here you can see clearly that what I was talking about, the umbilication and the multiple numbers of tumor. This tumor is showing the yellowish color, grayish, yellowish and whitish color. So there are multiple number of tumors and which are compressing the normal parenchyma. In center you can see that this part is called as the umbilication, which is called as the depression of the tumor in the central part due to the scarcity of the blood supply, and the normal parenchyma has been compressed by this tumor. So these are the classical features of the metastasis to the liver. They are not arising from the liver tissue. So these are the two specimens you have in examination. Coming to the end of the topic, that is the practical number 12, we'll quickly revise all the specimen. This one is the specimen of the micronodular cirrhosis containing the nodules less than 3 cm in size and separated by the fibrous septa. This is the biliary cirrhosis specimen showing the liver with the variable size of the nodules, but the nodules are yellow whitish in color and less than 3 mm again in the size, so it is a biliary cirrhosis. This specimen is weighing more than 2.7 kg and showing the multiple nodules of variable size more than 3 mm size. Some even nodules are more than the 3 cm size. This is the macronodular cirrhosis. This specimen of the liver is showing the tumor of variegated appearance, friable and hard. The tumor also shows the hemorrhagic area and necrotic area. This is hepatocellular carcinoma. This tumor shows multiple number of the tumors and showing umbilication in the center, and the separated parenchyma is compressed by this tumor. So this is the metastasis of the liver. So thank you very much.